Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x value. Solution: x minus 10 whole power 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here, that is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x square minus 2 times of x times of 10 plus 10 square equal to 36. Now this x square minus 2 times of 10 is 20, x plus 10 square is 100 equal to 36. Now x square minus 20x plus 100, we are moving this 36 left hand side, so minus 36 equal to 0. Now x square minus 20x here plus 64 equal to 0. Now this 64 can be written as 16 times of 4. Same way this 20x can be written as 16x plus 4x. So x square minus this can be written as 4x minus 16x plus here 4 times of this 60 equal to 0. Now we are going to take x common from this, so x open bracket x minus 4 close bracket here, so minus 16 we are going to take, so minus 16 open bracket x minus 4 equal to 0. Now x minus 4 common we are going to take, so x minus 4 x minus 16 equal to 0. Here we have two equations, one is x minus 4 equal to 0, other one is x minus 16 equal to 0. From this equation x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. From other equation x minus 16 equal to 0, x equal to 16. These are the possible answer in first method. Now we are going to do this in method 2. The equation here is x minus 10 whole square equal to 36. From this method we are going to move this left hand side, so x minus 10 whole square minus 36 equal to 0. Here x minus 10 whole square minus this can be written as 6 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. Consider this is a, this is b. So x minus 10 minus 6 x minus 10 plus 6 equal to 0. From this equation x, this is minus 16. Here x minus 4 equal to 0. From this we have two equations, x minus 16 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. Now x equal to 16, x equal to 4. These are the possible answer in second method. Now we are going to try this in other method, method 3. X minus 10 whole square equal to 36. In this method we are going to take a square root on both sides. So x minus 10 whole square root, here plus or minus square root of 36. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x minus 10 equal to plus or minus this 36 is 6. Now we are moving this minus 10 right hand side, so x equal to plus or minus 6 plus 10. Now we have two statements here. One is x equal to plus 6 plus 10. Other one is x equal to minus 6 plus 10. X equal to plus 6 plus 10 is 16. Other equation, x equal to minus 6, 10 is 4. So these are the possible answer in third method. Now we are going to verify this with the equation x minus 10 whole square equal to 36. Here x is x equal to 16, x equal to 4. Now applying this here, 16 minus 10 whole square equal to 36. Now here it is 6 square equal to 36. So 36 equal to 36. So here LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to try this with the other x equal to 4. The equation is x minus 10 whole square equal to 36. Now 4 minus 10 whole square equal to 36. From this minus 6 whole square equal to 36. Minus 6 square is 36 equal to 36. So LH is equal to RH. Yes, here this is also verified. Thanks for watching this video.